Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Agricultural Engineering. Today we are going to see the second topic of engineering properties of biological material, which is size. So let's see what are factors we have to consider while determining the size of grain. So why we should know the size of grain particles? There is for sorting of agro products into size group. As I said, sorting is based on single physical property. Here the size is physical property which is required for sorting of agro produces. And for determining volume and weight, we should know the size of grain. And determining produce surface area, if we have to find out the storage of how much storage area required for particular grain, then we should know the surface area. For that purpose we have to find out the size. So if we are going to introduce some internal quality sensors for suitable working, then also we should know size. If we have to do grading according to size, shape and weight, then size is necessary. But in case of size, what is meant by size? Size is nothing but the different dimensions of the grain. So if you say, if we have taken rice, how we can find the dimensions of that rice, such as length, width and thickness? So it will be difficult to find out length, width, thickness, but using vernier caliper we can find out major diameter, minor diameter and intermediate diameter. So if we have grain particle which is having irregular shape, then we can find out the size or 3 axes using projected area method. For this purpose we have to use overhead projector. In the upcoming lectures in sphericity class, we will see how the overhead projector will work. So this is micrometer, which is used to find out the major diameter, minor diameter. So if we have taken rice, then we have to measure its length, width and thickness. So we have to measure 3 lengths. The one which is having higher value is considered as length, which is having lower value is considered as width, and the lowest value is considered as thickness of that grain. So in most of the exams they have asked what is the least count of micrometer. What is meant by least count? Least count is nothing but the minimum accurate reading we can measure with the help of that instrument. So in case of micrometer, the least count is 0.01 millimeter. Now vernier caliper is also used to measure the size of particle. So the least count of vernier caliper is 0.1 mm. Please don't forget this point, least count of micrometer and least count of vernier caliper from exam point of view. So for size determination, sieve analysis is done. So in upcoming lectures we will see what is meant by ideal sieve and everything in detail. But for now, as we are covering the topic size, it is necessary to consider sieve analysis. In sieve analysis, what we will do, we have taken some sieves. The sieve size which is maximum, means maximum area sieve, is placed at the top and which the pan is placed at the bottom. So the particle having higher diameter will be residue in the first sieve, and the particle which is lowest size, particle size is very low, which is collected in the pan. So in most of the exams, what is meant by fineness modulus they have asked. So fineness modulus is uniformity of grind in the resulted product. I think in the ICAR JRF exam 2020 they have asked this question. Uniformity of grind is defined as, the answer is fineness modulus. So how we can find fineness modulus? We have to add the weight fraction retained over each sieve and we have to divide it by 100. So see, there are different IS sieve number, means we have taken 367 sieves and one pan, and actual we have taken the material total, means see, after flooring, after we have done wheat flour, then we have to measure the average particle size. For that purpose we have taken 275 gram of wheat flour. Then we have to find out the weight of material written over each sieve, so which is given in gram. So after that, percent material written, here we are using factor. So for pan we are using 0, means we have to go in increasing order from bottom to top. Here we have seen for pan 0, for 15 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the percentage material written over sieve, means see, weight of material written over sieve is 0, so 0 divided by 274.03 into 100 is 0, means we have to find the percent material written. So in case of 96, we have to divide it by 274 and then multiply by 100 to get percent material written. Then we are getting percent material written. After summing up, we have to divide it by, pardon me, here we have taken fineness modulus. For fineness modulus we have to divide the percent material written summation of weight fraction divided by 100, then we will get fineness modulus 2.7403. Now average particle size in mm can be find out by using formula D is equal to 0.135 into 1.366 raised to fineness modulus. So we will get 0.317 millimeter. So this formula, there is chance they will ask the formula for average particle size. So first we have to material total weight we should know, then we have to find out the weight of material written over each sieve, then we have to multiply whatever material written over sieve, we have to find out percent fraction written over sieve, and for that we have to multiply by one factor. For pan that factor is 0, and we have to increase it in from order bottom to top. So don't forget this formula, D is equal to 0.135 in bracket 1.366 raised to Fm. This will ask, for confusing they can change the decimal value and they will ask you questions. So please remember this formula as it is. So by considering all aspects from exam point of view, we have arranged one mock test series, Agricultural Engineering Mock Test Series 2022. There are 3 different examinations: MC AER PG CAT, ICAR PG, and Tamil Nadu Assistant Engineer Examination. So the registration link is given in description box. Thank you for watching our video. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.